At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A medical record summary template is an essential tool that helps organize and simplify a patient's medical history. This template compiles all the progress notes, test results, appointments, and other important documentation into a clear, concise summary. For patients with long-term or multiple health conditions, or those who have received treatment from various providers, their medical records can become lengthy and difficult to navigate. That's where summarizing becomes crucial. One common situation where you might need to summarize a medical record is in legal cases, especially in personal injury law. In these cases, a clear and accurate summary of a patient's medical history is vital. Our medical record summary template is designed to help you create an organized and chronological account of a patient's medical events, complete with dates, times, and page numbers. Using our template is straightforward, but here's a step-by-step guide to ensure you get the most out of it. Download the template. Start by downloading the free PDF from our website or the Carepatron community template library linked in the description below. Fill in patient information. Begin by entering the patient's details such as their name, date of birth, and dates the summary covers. It's essential to be accurate, especially since these summaries are often used as legal evidence. Work chronologically. The main part of the template is a large table where you'll summarize the medical records. Start with the earliest entry at the top and work your way down, noting the date, time, referenced part of the medical record, service provider, and a summary of the encounter. Add page numbers. To ensure the summary is kept intact, add page numbers to each page. For example, if your summary spans 2 pages, label them as page 1 of 2 and page 2 of 2. Sign in and store securely. Finally, sign the document and store it securely. If the summary is to be shared, make sure you have the necessary authorization and share it securely to protect the patient's confidential health information. Summarizing a medical record requires medical knowledge, attention to detail, and strong communication skills. Legal nurse consultants are often best suited professionals for this task, and they have the expertise to bridge healthcare and legal fields, especially in cases of medical malpractice. However, other healthcare professionals like registered nurses, physicians, nurse practitioners, and medical summarizing consultants can also effectively use this template. Here's a sample of our medical record summary template to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more of our free templates, visit our template library on the Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features, and signing up is free. Just click on the sign up link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Carepatron channel for more content like this.